I know what you're going through. I know what you're thinking. You just finished your pre-licensing courses with the real estate school. You earned your certificates, so now what? What am I supposed to do? I'm gonna give you today, right now, I'm gonna give you 5 steps I want to do next to get this real estate career started. Number 1 is apply for the state exam. You earned those 3 certificates. Don't hold on to them. I want you to submit those to the Department of Real Estate in your state, along with the fees that they require, and get on their schedule. Schedule your state exam. Step 2, I want you to study for that state exam. Now that's crucial, because after applying, there's gonna be a waiting period for your scheduled time. And in that waiting period, I want you to do what's number 2, which is study. Here at US Realty Training, we have an incredible state exam prep package, right? It's got hundreds and hundreds of flashcards. It's got a state exam prep material like no other. Mock exams, are you kidding me? Mock exams, very similar to the one in your state. We have an incredible amount of videos on there that explain terminology. You can't miss it. Between applying and taking the state exam, which is studying for that state exam, is crucial. Now, after studying for the state exam, you're ready to go. Go in there and knock it out. I want you to go in there confident, because you did study with the right program. Go in there confident, calmly, take the state exam, and pass it. So now, after passing the state exam, you're gonna be holding that real estate license. Congratulations, the beautiful, beautiful thing. You should be proud of yourself. You're holding that real estate license that can change your life. So now you're gonna go to step 3. Step 3 is with that real estate license, you gotta find yourself a brokerage. So how do you find a nice brokerage? One of 2 ways. You can find one that's local to your home or local where you wanna work, or you can Google real estate offices that you want to work for. My recommendation, visit 2, 3, maybe 4 brokerages. One that has that right vibe for you, man. One that feels good, one that's exciting, one that supports your business. Go in there like a powerhouse, like an entrepreneur. You're gonna be running your own business. You're gonna be selling houses, you're gonna be buying houses, representing your buyers, representing your sellers. Find a brokerage that's going to be supporting you. So how do you contact these real estate brokerages? Well, you call them or email them and let them know the deal. So what is the deal? The deal is you're an exciting person. You're very, very excited about your new career. You're just newly licensed, and you're looking for a great brokerage that's gonna support your business. They're gonna probably schedule an interview with you. Hey, listen, pump the brakes. I want you to interview them. You're looking for a great fit. You're looking for a great real estate family. Although they will be asking you questions, I want you to ask them questions, such as, aside from how much commission will I be keeping from these transactions I'll be closing, what kind of support do you have? What kind of educational tools do you have? Once you find the right brokerage, they've answered all your questions, you're feeling excited, you sign all the paperwork, and you're off to the races. And that leads us to step number 4. So what's step 4? Step 4 is tell the whole world. It's called prospecting. Prospect, prospect, prospect. Prospect to the people you know, prospect to the people you don't know. Tell the whole world you just got caught up in this beautiful new career called real estate. Step number 5, here's where the training begins. Step number 5 is start your career training. You gotta find a mentor, you gotta find the right attitude to make this happen. In fact, I'm gonna give you a gift. I'm gonna give you the gift of the 2-tank theory. I want you to have these 2 tanks filled up. Filled up with what? Well, I want this one to be filled up with energy. I want you to be positive. I want you to go out and want to kick the world's butt. I want you to be ready to go out and attack this new career. This tank here, I want you to fill it up with education. I want you to fill it up with education. I want these both to be overfloweth. I love saying that word, overfloweth. I want them to overflow with energy and education. This one, though, is important. I know you have the energy, but this is the one that most new agents lack, is the education. It's getting the right tools to take you to that next level. In fact, we have a program that will help you fill this tank up. We have a great program called Rookie to Rockstar. Our Rookie to Rockstar program, I was heavily involved with it. We have a great mentor, Mr. Richard Schulman, who at one point was the #1 agent, not just in Los Angeles, but in the country, who took the time to create this program with us to allow you to have a personal mentor and fill up this educational tank. Take advantage of it. We have it here for you. Don't forget, start your career training. Hey, listen, we just went over the 5 steps you need to get your real estate career off the ground. Guess what? Yeah, here it comes. There's actually a 6th step. There's actually a 6th step. If you want to know what it is, check it out right here in this video. You're going to love it, and your real estate career is going to take off. Wishing you all the best.